We have always had a strong focus between engineering developing new products, but also engineering being involved with the process itself to make those products. Just in the last 5 years, we've invested close to $20 million at this site to look at new ways of making even some of our older products like shape charges that is integrated into our lines, that gives us more control over the processes, that improves the reliability of our products, and improves our efficiency. It helps us bring costs in line with where the current market conditions are. And then in the last part of the project, we launched the Detonating Cord, which is one of the most advanced and automated facilities that we have here on site.